So, welcome back. If you're new, thanks for coming. I got my Fabfitfun winter box. I want to see what's in it. I also grabbed my phone because all the customizations are on there. So, total value for my box is $267. And I'm an annual member, so that means I get to customize the entire box. Yes, the entire box. And this is one of my favorite subscriptions, so let's see what we got. Okay, is that right? Fabfitfun. It's winter themed. I like the blue. I like the gold. Let me know what colors inspire you for Christmas. Everybody has their own Christmas colors. There's some extras on the bottom of the box there. So, let's see. I think I did add on one thing, but I want to make sure. I'll tell you what I added on. This is what it looks like. So there's always somebody beautiful on the cover of the magazine. And this is winter 2021. What I like is that you can customize everything. Look at Keke Palmer. She's been trending a lot. So there are some sales. It'll tell you the dates. So let's just get into it. Pass this along to a friend. $15 off coupon. I will leave this down in the comments. So first come, first serve. I do have free starter boxes, which are not the same. It gives you like a sample idea of what the box would look like. So let me know if you're interested and I can forward you an email. And here are the stickers. They've been giving out stickers, so that's really lovely. And HelloFresh, HBO, cool. Some wine goodies. All right. So let's see. Really, I don't know the order. It used to be very helpful for them to tell you. And if anybody knows in the comments, let me know, because then I can start referring to this again. Anyway, I got short stories. This is nesting bowl set, 3 bowls. Already looks great. So take it out like this. Ooh. And look at how pretty they are. So there's a set of 3. There's a small one. You can use these as dipping bowls, serving bowls. That's really cool. I really like that. Let me see. That is $39. Then next up, hot chocolate bomb maker. Okay. This is $35 retail. And they're like, they look like muffin tins, but you can make chocolate bombs for your hot chocolate. Pretty neat. Again, this box is like $49, so it's well worth it. Okay, what is this? Coral. This is 1 pound wrist ankle weights. So you could wear it on your wrists, you could wear it on your ankles. $35. And that is the fitness side of Fabfitfun. So it comes in a carrying case like this. Let me show you the weights. And I got purple, of course. So your standard ankle wrist weights. This is good if you work from home or you want to run, walk. If you're at home, you could just lift your legs with these ankle weights. That's great. Let's see. Oh, Briogeo. This is Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Protection and Heat Cream. 4 ounces, 118 mLs, $24. I never tried their brand, but it's actually pretty full. So that's good. This is vegan Manny Moments. Manny Moments. Okay. It says Manny in a box, duo with a nail file. Maybe it's like the combination. So they come in little packs like this. Oops. Oh, okay. So here is step number 1, green tea detox, massage butter. That's step 3. And where's number 1? Hello, I see a nail file. Oh, this says number 1. Vitamin recharge. Sugar scrub. Oh, that's nice. So it looks like you get 2 of those total. So if you know somebody who does their nails, this is great. Very nice gift. And let's see. The Vendome. This is the tea sampler, $25. I don't see that Manny in a box, so I can't give you the price on that. But recovery sampler, 25 tea bags. See, some of them are India's original sweet cinnamon chai, turmeric, ginger, vanilla spiced chai, turmeric spiced herbal tea. Okay, and the last thing here is the Short Stories, same brand. And this is the LED indoor planter. I think they had this one other time, and I passed, I think. So here's a little setup. I do like to garden, so this is an indoor. Looks like it has a light. And that is, ooh, $60. Yeah, some plants are really hard to grow, herbs and things. So that's pretty nice. Now, let me show you what I added on right here. This was an additional $15. It's the Mark & Graham stainless steel electric wine opener. I think I already have one, but it's always nice to have a backup. Although you can find a lot of wines with just the twist off cap. Has batteries. And this is what it looks like. Pretty nice. I do like to keep the corks as memory. Okay, so what did you guys think of the box? We got an LED planter, indoor planter. We got 25 tea bags. This Manny Moments, still not sure about. Hair product, Briogeo. Ankle or wrist weights. Chocolate, hot chocolate bomb maker, which is interesting. Then we got the bowls, the mini bowls. I think it's great. I really do. Fabfitfun happens to be like one of my favorite subscriptions for lifestyle. You get kitchenware, home decor. There are some skincare, makeup, hair products. I mean, just anything. It's fabulous. It's fitness and it's fun. Okay, not necessary, but I really like it. So if you like it and you want to get a starter box, let me know down in the comments and I will get back to you. And as always, guys, stay safe.